Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a very exciting update here on GE stock. Now, it's been around 2 days since I touched base on this company, and one of the main things that I want you guys to take away from this video is going to be the main support and resistance levels with this company, the short-term levels that we're watching right now as we are trying to play this breakout on GE stock. Now, a lot of the times in the past, I make my video and then I wait and show you guys the profits around a week later or when the play actually does break out or do what I said. But with GE here and with other plays in the future, including the Neo play, I want to follow you guys up to date every single day or almost every single day. So right now with GE, I'm going to be going into what are the more specific levels that we're watching with this company and what are we going to be doing here in order to profit from this trade over the next few days, as well as what we need to keep an eye on in order to know a stop loss or a place where we can know this trade has not been going the way we want. So again, guys, it's going to be very important to know these levels, and you want to stay until the end of the video to find out. Now, like I just explained, we are going to be looking at the lower time frames here on General Electric or GE stock. And in order to do that, we need to go over here to the top left. So again, guys, if you are following me on TradingView.com, which is going to be linked down in the description for absolutely free, you're going to want to go here to the top left where it says 1 hour, and you're going to want to switch this down to a lower time frame like 5 minutes. So right now with the 1 hour time frame selected, you can see that we are seeing time from all the way till December, now till May. And if we put it down till 5 minutes, you can see that this zooms us into the tip of the triangle there, or actually very close to the breakout moment. And we are only seeing data now from the 19th or 20th of last month all the way till now May 7th or tomorrow May 8th. So again, guys, there is a lot to talk about with GE, and I want to pick out specifically here the levels of support and resistance that we want to see with the stock. So over the last few days, you can see right here very clearly the bottom support level of the triangle or the wedge we have been identifying over the last few days for this breakout. But here in the very short term, it looks like GE has been able to find a second level of support very strongly here around $13 a share. And with this new support that we have found, this is going to be ultimately the running support over the next few days. And I really do believe that if this price breaks below, then that will be our sign to get out of this trade, because that will ultimately mean that this wedge is breaking to the downside. But right now we can take relish in the fact that the stock did reach this price and break to the upside today. So you can see that the volume was absolutely massive at the end of the day. And this is really what we look for as traders to the start of a run, or something that can signal us that GE might be getting ready for this massive move, which we have been expecting over the last few days. So hold fast with this play, guys. That is my best recommendation. If you are in on GE right now, if you're considering to get in, try to get it in the lower 13s right now if you are trying to trade this breakout. But ultimately, any price will do, guys, between $13 flat and $13.50, which I ultimately see as the breakout level. So you can see that GE has been pretty crazy here over the last few days, going up and down. But over the last few hours, there has been a clear resistance price, or a price that GE can't break, nearing to this $13.50. And you can see that there have been a great periods of strength, or two very strong runs at least in the last week and a half, which are showing us some strength to this price, but ultimately at this price a rejection. So with GE, if we do get a break above $13.50 come tomorrow or come into next week, now that we have this massive volume showing on the chart, this is not going to be surprising that we will see a breakout if we do come above, and if it does happen in a timely manner. So again, guys, with GE, those are the levels we're watching, $13 a share as the support. So we really don't want GE to come down below this level, or else that's a point where I will be stopping out of my trade, leaving this trade for the long term, or at least waiting until it sets up again. But in the short term here, if we can get a break above $13.50 coming into next week, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, or this Friday, which is tomorrow, then that will be an absolutely smashing opportunity to buy GE to the upside. Now, right now, I'm holding around 50 shares of this company with a goal of 100 shares total. So again, guys, if we do get a break back below to $13 a share tomorrow with some weakness in the market or whatever may happen, then that will be another great time to buy. And that's, I think, when I will be loading up on the rest of my 50 shares, because that will be a great sign that 13 is ultimately that support level. And that's what we want to get a confirmation of in the future. We want to know that these previous levels are basically testing into the future. And with GE so far, we are getting a good sign that 13 is holding as that support in the short term. So ultimately, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have some takeaways. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below. That's going to be the link to the TradingView, which is how you can copy what I'm showing you guys here on the channel every single day. The link to this software for absolutely free, but also, guys, the link to the free Discord, which is where I post all my daily plays and signals. Now, just today in this Discord, guys, we were able to make a massive profit on Bank of America, around 25% in just under an hour. And if you held that play until the end of the day, even after I said sell out, then you're probably up around 30 to 40%. So again, guys, that was a massive play. And we also had a great move on XOM, earning around 20% from the time we bought it to the end of the day. So again, guys, there are some massive plays to be had in the free Discord. Don't be discouraged with this market because some plays are down, some plays are up. It really is a market where being able to jump in and jump out is king. So I would not look for long-term stocks, guys. I would look to play a lot of these setups, which are still currently happening on the market. So again, guys, happy trading. I hope all your plays are in the green.